Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, and on today's Boost It, we are going over some more steering components, especially for those Dodge Ram owners out there. You ever heard of that thing called Death Wobble? Maybe your steering's a little loose. Well, a lot of that can be tracked back to your steering box, specifically where your pitman arm connects on the sector shaft. Synergy Manufacturing has got the solution for you right here with their steering box brace. Very simple, very easy. My favorite, 100% bolt-on installation, so no cutting, no welding, none of that. This bolts right up to your frame. They give you this nice pillow bushing that connects to your sector shaft, clamps on right here, and your steering's rock solid. If you want to get one for your Dodge Ram or you have more questions, make sure you click the link in the bio or reach out to us at dieselpowerproducts.com.